Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. Very quick lang tong vlog na to. Just wanted to share with you guys the new set of tires that I've installed onto the car. Ayan. Itong size na ginamit ko is 195/55. Ayan. So first time user ako ng gantong size kasi yung stock na nakalagay dito is 185/60. Tapos nagpalit ako ng 17s. Gumamit din ako ng 14s. And ayun, I decided to go back to stock. And 15s na lang ulit na stock wheels. And to tell you honestly, hindi ito yung first choice ko. I was going to go with a set of semi-slicks na Cylon na R01, pero hindi nagkatugma yung schedule ko dun sa schedule ng seller, so hindi nagkaigi. So yun, I decided to get a set of these. These are a set of yan, Nankang na NS2. Ito yung itsura ng thread pattern niya. So this is new. Ano, meron pa siyang markings. And nabiyahe ko na siya. Long drive. Ayun, umuulan. So I was able to try it out sa basang kalsada, and I would say na stable siya at high speeds. Based naman sa review na mga nakikita ko, maganda daw siya for wet conditions, you know, because of the thread pattern. I'm not going to go into anything technical kasi hindi naman ako expert when it comes to tires. I would have gone for a set of semi-slicks kasi mas sporty siyang tingnan, pero yun nga, ito yung nakuha natin. And kung magpalit naman ako is 4, so yun, on all 4 corners Nankangs yun nakalagay. Again, Nankang NS2. Let's continue the vlog dito sa tabi ng daan. So again, this is how the car looks with my new set of tires. Now just to end the video, I'd like to just say na if you'd like to make your car look sporty, even though naka-stock mags lang siya, so you can consider one of these. Yan. Kasi the reason why it looks sporty is because of its thread pattern. As you can probably see, napaka-aggressive ng thread pattern niya. And nga pala, based on my research, maganda daw tong gantong thread pattern kapag umuulan kasi it prevents hydroplaning. Another look from the side. Pero if you'd like to step up from this right here and you'd like a sportier look, you can also consider a set of Achilles 123S. Ayun talaga, mas sporty yung itsura nun, although yung ganong klase ng tire, it's a bit hard to find. Yun talaga, semi-slicks na yun. Or you can also consider a set of Accelera na 651 that also looks sporty. Pero if you'd like the Nankang brand, you can also consider a Nankang NS2R. Now that right there, yung thread pattern nun, it's similar to this, pero mas ano na mas sporty siya. Even the sidewall, it's so much more sportier. Yung mga ano niya, yung mga grooves niya, mas kokonti. Mukha talaga siyang semi-slicks. Good. So I will be driving the car around with this set installed, and siguro in a couple of weeks I'll give you a review as to how this set of tire is going to be performing. I will be ending the vlog right here. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next vlog, and again, do all of the nice things, like, share, and subscribe. Peace.